Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the next of my Zombicide Undead or Alive minis. This time around it's Meg. I have black and white Xenon 3D primed her and get started with the base coat for her jacket using Dragon Fang. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I went for army green for her jeans. For her shirt, I grabbed warm grey. She's wearing two shirts in the card art, but I paint them both with this and just leave that warm grey as is, instead of highlighting it up later on. I then went for elven skin for her face. Next up was her hair and boots with the wasteland brown. Her belt and holster are a lighter brown to what I would normally use for leather, so I went for light brown from AK Interactive for these parts. For the gun stock and pistol grip, I used Ancient Forest. Getting started on the highlights, I went for Skeleton Legion for her jacket. Mostly just stippling and meshily brushing it around the raised areas. Next up, I highlight the jeans with olive green, just the raised areas and the large flat sections. To differentiate these shirts, I start highlighting up the lighter shirt with silver grey. I do also dotting the eyes with this. The final highlight on the jacket is with Vampire Fang, for all of those sharp edges and just the uppermost raised areas. For the base, I went for plague brown as with all the minis. I do also use this to highlight up the leather parts. Moving on to the metallics, I base all of them with plate armor. The rifle has some gold on there, so I grabbed greedy gold to add these parts in. Finally, the washes, I start off with necrosis green for the jeans and the boots. For everything else on the mini, I used a thin down wash of archaic sepia wash. And that will be it for Meg, probably my favourite mini so far in this box set. The 2 thin coats wash also dries fairly matte, which means I didn't really have to varnish her up afterwards. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.